I'm gonna show you how to bake a whole sweet potato in the oven so you get those crispy skins and pillowy soft centers every time. Hi, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share a lot of videos like this one. If that's your jam, subscribe for more. Now before we get started, let's preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Today I'm cooking 4 sweet potatoes with you. One quick tip to make sure that whether you cook 2 or 4 that they cook evenly is to make sure that the sweet potatoes are about the same size. That way they cook evenly at the same amount of time. All right, so first things first, you want to take your whole sweet potatoes and wash them really well under running water. Give them a good scrub to get all that dirt out. And then take a paper towel or a kitchen towel and dry it really well. Now these are ready to be baked, I'm gonna take a fork and poke holes all the way around the sweet potatoes, about 4 to 5 of them. These holes allow for the heat to go through the skin into the meat of the sweet potato. Now I used to use a knife to make these holes until I cut myself. So learn from me, take a fork, use your thumb, and it's easy to push through. The trick to getting a crispy skin on sweet potatoes is to use some olive oil and rub it on the skin. I just take a little bit, rub it on my hands, and then rub the sweet potato with the olive oil. Thin coat is all you need. Now, if you enjoy eating the crispy skin, you can take some salt and sprinkle the outside of your sweet potatoes. Now I just take my sweet potatoes and place them on my baking sheet, uncovered, just like this. Now these are gonna go in the preheated oven for 30 to 45 minutes. The length of time is going to depend on the size of your sweet potato. Towards the end, you wanna poke them with a fork, and if it slides in real easy, you know they're ready. Now, I already checked these in the oven. They were done, and as you can see, the skin has separated from the sweet potato, and now I can wait about 5 minutes before slicing them and topping them. Now that they're a little bit cool to the touch, I take a knife and slice it right through. Use a kitchen towel to squeeze the ends to separate the sweet potato meat from the skin. Now let me know in the comments how you like to top your sweet potatoes. Are you a butter only person? Butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar? Let me know. And if you like this kind of videos, watch this one next. See you next time.